So guys, it is temporary, so we might want to get another one right now.
Another one?
Yes, I think you can get it again.
Oh!
Something went wrong. Press the wrong button. What my fault? Wanna live in flatland forever? I try to make better. Like this, I need to fix things. Okay. Okay.
Hey, wait, we hadn't seen the Becca. Is it still the same?
What do you mean?
Trick 2's that?
It did nothing. Oh my god.
Oh my,
That's a good trick.
that looks terrifying.
That's a good trick.
Oh my god, it still has it.
What?
I'm telling you, it looks like Bendy's model. It just reminds me of Bendy in the Ink Machine.
I like this one. I like this trick. Trick 1. I want to see what's trick 1. Wow! Sis, look! It's trick 1! Look!
Oh wow.
I'm just trying the tricks. Joyful. Holy! It's jumping like it's crazy, my boy. I'm flying away! Jump. Ooh! Ooh! It's sitting in the air, guys. Okay, so this is the new vehicle, the scroll vehicle. Legendary, yeah. Apparently I'm setting up in this account, guys. So, let's get any free things, like, seriously, Bert messed up in this land. I think you can sit on that. No? Bert, you seriously messed up. A lot of people found out that I'm the new genie, guys. I'm so genius. Let's check the pet accessories and very funny though. Tutti tutti. Goo goo. Bro, every update counts. Yes, guys, apparently this account is made of before my channel. So this is how it sleeps. What? What's that? So that's how it sleeps. I want to see what happens if I oof up food. It ain't having any reactions though. It's just following you like, give me that food or die. I'm supposed to eat up my pet. Guys, talk to get the cat if you want to.